Half of the families in sub-Saharan Africa have access to electricity. So how do they get an internet connection? But we can do this, solar energy and many other ways. So we can overcome that digital divide if we want to as a world. It's going to take money, though. So we're going to need lots of help, public and private. And we're going to need expertise. And I will just point out two of our partners, Ericsson and Dubai Cares, who are on this call because they are both partners who help us. And so we've been able to map 1 million schools in the GIGA initiative and connect 3,000 schools to internet because of their help. So our goal is to connect every school in the world to the internet by the time of 2030, every learner, every teacher. We think we can do it. We've connected 500,000 students so far this year. So we're on track to be able to do this.